I think the world needs monsters. I think we need monsters because we've got this thing of humans are very good with a little bit of adversity, not too much adversity, but enough. It's like in the Cold War. Well, say the Second World War is better than the Cold War. The Cold War was just a negative thing. The Second World War had that thing of everyone pulling together against something. It was positive stuff that came out of it. But now that the Cold War is gone,